The robotics team has been running since 1999. I've been running it since 2009.
What made me want to join the team, I guess, was just having a new experience and just a whole different world. I joined because out of interest. I always found engineering really cool, and I've always wanted to do something part of it.
Including this year has been 2 years I've been on the team. What made me want to join is I always been interested how things are made and just making stuff with my hands and disassembling and reassembling stuff.
I mean, it was just very accepting to anyone.
What I think makes a good team is having communication throughout the team and being comfortable with talking to every team member. Also, being open about your questions and knowing that you're going to get help.
All I care is that they have some type of interest. I'm not going to make you a machinist or an engineer. I just want you to be interested in learning something new. Kind of treat it like a business. If you guys like doing business, like keeping a track of money, there's a part for you. If you want to machine parts, there's a part for you. If you want to be my project manager, there's a place for you. So it's not just about building a robot, it's about just having life experiences.
The type of skills we learn in being in this comedy could range from CAD, which is 3D design, designing basically whatever you want.
Machining skills, being able to use 3D design software to create parts.
I'm a machinist in the team, so I machine anywhere from milling machines to lathes. We also offer sheet metal work, where you sketch out everything on a sheet metal plate and then we work off from there. Electrical work such as wiring, programming, coding, all that type of stuff.
The Engineering Academy has always kind of looked at the robotics students as the core foundation of what we embody in our students. So when the robotics team does well, the engineering school feels great.
There's Femineers we met that offer girls to actually be part of the Engineering Academy or the team.
The team has offers internships for Northrop, Boeing, and to get a real world experience from internships, yeah.
My role on the team has helped me get internships with various aerospace companies in the area. So, for example, I did an internship at Boeing, and I got to apply my skills that I learned here in our academy and robotics team to what I could do at Boeing.
Opportunities like NASA, we machine parts for NASA.
It was just dedication.
We do a lot of outreaches. We go out to elementary schools and middle schools, and we communicate with the kids, ask them, what questions they have, and show them what types of things are out there in the future in engineering.
Over the years, the robotics team has become like the football team to the School of Manufacturing and Engineering. The students show off everything that they learned in school, and they have ultimate pride in their work, and I believe that wears off on all the rest of the students. And in change, that makes our community a lot stronger.